Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Vauxhall Antara. So from any screen, you've got setup over here. If I click on setup, you've got navigation, Bluetooth and telephone system, traffic messages, radio settings. So we want Bluetooth and telephone. Bluetooth on, that's important. If you're not getting anywhere with it, just make sure the Bluetooth is switched on. Pair new device or select pair devices. So just click that, see if there's anything else. Delete paired device, so that's underneath. So we want delete paired device. Barry's iPhone 10, click on that. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone 10 from the list? Yes, I do. That's it, gone.